Hey, Minnie. What are you doing? Alright, so this is what I built. Just galvanized pipe. Couple 6-inch, 3/4 inch pipe for the handles. 5 foot long, 3/4 inch galvanized pipe. Can't really tell, but I sharpened the edge a little bit so it would push into the ground a little bit easier. And I just put a valve here to turn the water on and off. Okay. So basically, this valve turns on and off the water. It's going to stick in the ground right here. Put it on. Drill in. See, these handles come in handy. Push down. Put it around my neck so the hose doesn't keep. Twist in. Get in there. Alright. Almost. It always gets tough at the bottom. And it's about 5 feet in. Pull it straight out. See, nice, easy hole now. So basically what I did was just drilled a bunch of holes like that throughout the entire pipe. As you can see, that way the water gets into the ground a little bit easier. Yeah. Slips right into that hole. So I just got finished deep watering these trees over here. I put a little hole in the top so I know when the water's coming out. Put one there. There's a pipe here. One pipe there. And of course, one pipe here, and the chickens want to see if they can find any worms.
The deep watering system helps get the water down to the roots, and because it's a really clay-based soil, it retains the water better.